In this video, you'll learn how to change Gmail from personal to business in just a few minutes, so you can communicate professionally with your custom domain and brand. First, understand that you can't directly convert a personal Gmail account into a business one. To get a business email, you'll need to sign up for Google Workspace, which gives you a custom domain and powerful business tools. Next, open your browser and go to workspace.google.com. Click on Get Started to begin setting up your Google Workspace account. Choose a plan that fits your business size, like Business Starter, Standard, or Plus. Now, fill in your business details. Enter your company name, the number of employees, and your country. Google Workspace will guide you through creating an admin account where you'll manage all your business email settings. After that, connect your custom domain. If you already own one, enter it during setup. If not, you can buy a new domain directly through Google Workspace, making your business email look professional and trustworthy. Once your domain is connected, create email accounts for your team. Go to the Google Workspace Admin Console, click Users, and add new email addresses using your custom domain like name@yourcompany.com for full professionalism. And that's it. Your Gmail is now upgraded to business, perfectly tailored for professional communication.